everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how easy it is to take these items here and turn them into a glam decor. Okay, we have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be using some of these stones also that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll just be using some hot glue to glue them going right around our vase. I'd like to say hello to everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on today to see the DIY that I have to share with you. And if it's your first time here, I would like to say welcome. And I do hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and pressing the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Now it's all done, so I am going to use some of this gold bling chain that I got from Beebeecraft, and I love this chain. It's one of the new ones that I got, and can you see the effect? You can see different shades reflecting off of it, and I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue to help glue it going around our vase. Hey everyone, I got some new items from Beebeecraft, and you know I like sharing with you guys what I got. So here's everything that I got. I got some more of the bling sheets, these 3 different kinds here, and I also got some more mirrored tiles, some more of my favorite glam chains in the gold and the silver, and this new one that I'm using right now, this gold tone one. I love it because you can see the different reflections. And I will be doing some DIY to share with you all these new items that I received. And I will have the link below to Beebeecraft so you guys can go over and check out the items that they have. And here is our finished look. Our Glam and Easy candle holder. Or you could use it as a vase. Both ways, this will look absolutely beautiful. And I know this will make an absolutely beautiful holiday gift for that special someone on your list this year. I know that I lied. I know that I lied, but I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice. I won't lie twice. And here it is with some string lights inside that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I think it makes a lovely piece of decor, and it was quick and easy. And you could put a candle in, or these string lights like I did, or you could use it as a vase and add flowers, or just as an accent piece all by itself. It was a quick and easy DIY to do using dollar store items and more. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's quick and easy DIY. And like I said, I hope you guys give me a thumbs up for today's video, and if it's your first time here, I do hope you do consider hitting the subscribe button so you can come back and see more DIYs that I have to share with you. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. I need you now, know that I like